This literature kit on Anne of Green Gables by L.M. Montgomery acts as the basis for guided discussion. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Answer true or false questions about Anne's background. Describe the cause and effect behind Anne's negative behavior towards Mrs. Rachel Lynde. Make predictions about what you think will happen in the upcoming chapters. Identify the internal conflict Anne struggles with regarding acceptance of a dare. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as acting out a scene from Alfred Lord Tennyson's poem, The Lady of Shalott. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Complete a timeline graphic organizer with moments that helped shape Anne's personality. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.